Hello friends, in this session I am going to discuss on topic licensing OER, in which I will be speaking on importance of copyright issues, open and CC licenses and other free licenses as well. As you all know, when we talks about licensing, copyright comes first and its purpose is to giving rights to the original creator or author to control over their own creation. But in case of open educational resource content, it is no longer useful due to its lots of restrictions. The picture in this slide speaks as public domain, means content is available to all and it can be repurposed by all without any copyright issues. It considers as copyleft. There are three ways of assigning public domain licenses. First is automatically enter to public domain. It means the author not claim the control. Second is works assigns to public domain, means use of CC licenses or CC0 licenses. And third is works entered the public domain due to copyright entry, due to copyright expiry. Okay, in this slide we'll discuss in depth about Creative Commons licenses. So, Creative Commons licenses that actually used in different open educational resources and which allows user for use, creation, dissemination of ideas by applying different Creative Commons conditions. You could have also seen in this picture that mostly 6 licenses we can use for OER creations and repurpose. These includes CC BY licenses, CC BY SA licenses, CC BY NC and CC BY NC SA licenses, CC BY ND and CC BY NC ND licenses. So, first is Creative Commons BY licenses. BY means attribution. It means others who use your work in any must attribute, reference the work, giving credit for it even commercially. Then we'll come to the point CC BY SA licenses. SA means share alike. All new works based on your will carry the same licenses even for commercial purposes as long as they credit you. It often compared to copyleft and free and open source software. Then we'll be coming to the next license that is CC BY non-commercial and CC BY non-commercial share alike. It means both the licenses have one same purpose, that not use others' work commercially as long as credit you and license their new work under the identical terms. Then another two licenses, which is Creative Commons by no derivatives and Creative Commons by non-commercial no derivatives. No derivative means license purpose is you can't change or modify someone's original work and not even use it commercially. Apart from this, it allows download and share with others as long as they credit you. It is most restrictive one CC licenses, we can say. Thank you all.